gambit. Is this Dr. Kopak? Maybe. Oh, actually I haven't got my window sorted out enough. Let's just play this line. I put my rooks on C1 and D1. I was trying to draw an arrow there. Okay, I'll try and weaken D5. Mind you, he has got bishop G4 by force. Can I stop that? Yeah, so has Black got a pleasant enough position, I guess? He has. I take bishop D3. Well, okay, let's go for the double pawns. Yeah, he's got F file pressure. Yeah, I don't seem to have too much at the moment in terms of pressure. He's played a very nice system, it seems, unfortunately. So far, knight takes E5, knight F4, unfortunately. Queen C4. Okay, knight F4 for knight H3 is coming up. I better do something about that. Try to. Can I kick this guy or not? It's getting too dangerous. It's looking very dangerous. Okay, this one. I'm wondering if G3 is at all possible. I'm getting a bit of trouble here. If I have to play like this, G3. I'll try and like double the rooks. Okay. This one. Double the rooks. I really made this possible. There's nothing here. D4 is a real pain. Knight E2, is that possible? D4, Queen E4. I'm down on the clock as well, but it's a difficult position. I mean, I don't know what to do here. A bit too grovelly for my liking from the Smith-Morra. He's really equalised. Go here for F3. More than equalised, of course. Okay, grovel. Okay. Play F3. Has he got Rook G6 and knight F4 though? Alright, this D pawn is actually attacked here, isn't it? I've actually got a threat. That's something to celebrate. He's on the rooks. Okay. Knight F4. Is the move G3 asking to be mated or not? Am I going to get the E4 square? That would be like something if you played D4, a little tiny concession. Knight G3, knight F4, knight E4. driving seat. E4, E5, D4. I'm going to have to play this knight G3 to E4, knight F4, knight E4. Okay, he's thinking. I've got him actually thinking. Okay, knight G3 might be a slight concern. I hope it hasn't got a massive refutation. Get the knight E4. Try and crawl out of this hole I'm in. It's queen F4, G3. Queen E4. I think I can just take. Rook takes. Hasn't got major tactical crush.
Check.
I got G3. I know its weaknesses. I think the trend though is a bit better than earlier. If that's saying anything. Well, he's got knight G5 now on the cards. Can I get out of that? Knight G5. A3. Queen E2. Knight E2. It's the only poxy move I can think of. I just want to. Yeah, he's going for this to undermine my nice piece, unfortunately. Alright, can I try and establish another blockade, at least against E4 being played? Got loads of weaknesses already, so. Rook E4. Maybe knight H3 to G5. He's actually weakened the G5 square. Okay, I can protect F3 and get to G5. Put on some time pressure. Get to G5, actually go to E4. That would be something to celebrate. Actually, B5 immediate threat. Trying to do an arrow again. Okay, he's holding that position. If I blockade, try and blockade again. Knight H3, Rook F3. Can't really allow that. Alright, I've got a plan of Queen D3, Rook F1, Knight H3. It's pretty long-winded. It was the plan. Knight E4, Queen D3. Rook E3, Knight H3. No, it's tactically. Okay, well, hang on. What is this?
Check.
Is he crashing through? Takes. Let's just sack the exchange here. Alright, if I can get a blockade. I want to get my knight to G5. That's basically the plan I had before. I want to get knight to G5. Ah, stops it. Rook H1? Not really. Okay, I have to grovel the defense.
Check. Time warning. Check. 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 Check.
Yeah, just time win, sorry. He had me under pressure the whole game. The whole game. What a brilliant performance by him. I can only try and win on time. It's pathetic. It really is. Oh, so much for this gambit. Is this a bad move? Queen e2. I am asking for a tempo gain in bishop g4. I think it's a bit silly. Because basically then, if I have to stop bishop g4, I'm weakening f4. Then basically you can double pawns and have a knight on f4. So it's like I've gone into a positional terrible position. I mean, wonder bishop g4, bishop e3. Okay. I was just trying to hold on. Just trying to hold on here with that knight on f4. He's just so much better here. Horrible.
Check.
Horrible game. Will I ever equalise? That's the question. One threat extinguishes b5 immediately. And then
check.
It's like he's crashing down to my king if I don't play that. I thought he was crashing down to my king. Oh, maybe this is the best move. I thought this was too dangerous. Oh, I can get the queens off. Oh. This is better, isn't it, than game continuation, slightly. Miserable. Miserable game. Hang on a sec. I can take that pawn. Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to hold on. All my blockades were ripped to shreds.
Check.
Is he? Yeah. Horrible. I thought he was going to have a draw by repetition there anyway.
Check. Check.
It's just winning my e-pawn here.
Check. Check.
But
check.
He's down on the clock. Yeah. Okay. Terrible. Well played, Mr. Kopek. Even though you lost, you outplayed me, I must say. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.